everyone, and welcome. Today we are going to be showing you how to make one of the amazing remedies from Dr. Ferrer's new book, Cough Cures. The main ingredient for today's cure is tamarind. Tamarind is actually a fruit, and its trees grow in abundance in Africa and Asia and South America. It's very popular for its medicinal benefits where Dr. Ferrer grew up in Cuba. Here are some of the benefits of tamarind. It reduces inflammation throughout the body. It's a great immune system booster and high in vitamin C. It lowers cholesterol and improves cardiovascular health. The main benefits we're focusing on today is the relief it offers for coughs, sore throats, and cold symptoms. Here's what you need: a saucepan, 16 ounces of water, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped tamarind leaves, honey or agave to sweeten, and lemon. Let's get started on the tea. First, you want to trim off the stems so they're easier to handle. Then rinse off the leaves thoroughly. After that, remove the leaves from the stem and place them into a bowl. Then place the leaves onto a cutting board and chop them finely. You can also use a food processor for this step if you prefer. Fill a saucepan with 16 ounces of water and set on the stove at high heat. Once the water is boiling, add 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped tamarind leaves. Give it a quick stir and boil for 5 to 7 minutes. After that, your tea is ready to strain. Add a little bit of lemon to taste and some honey or raw blue agave to sweeten. And your tamarind tea is ready to go. This remedy is effective in treating coughs, colds, and sore throats. The World Health Organization recommends 2 cups a day. This remedy and more like it can be found in Dr. Ferrer's new book, Cough Cures. More information about cough cures and Dr. Ferrer will be listed in the description below. Make sure to let us know in the comments what kind of tips, tricks, and remedies you'd like to see in the future. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.